this might be a little forward, but I want to know more about you. Specifically, I have two questions for you. What are your musical ambitions? And what are the roadblocks preventing you from becoming the guitar player you want to be? The second question is only answered once we've addressed the first, so let's dive in. What do you want to be able to play on the guitar? I don't need to ask you why you want to play guitar. Chances are if you're watching this, you already play guitar or you're thinking about getting a guitar. I hope you do. It's amazing. But if you're watching this, then chances are you want to become a better guitar player. But how we define better is important. In general, I'd bet you have three goals. Number one, be able to play songs you love, whether it's from tabs or sheet music or eventually by ear. Number two, understand the fretboard better and understand music theory so you can improvise, so you can have fretboard freedom. And number three, write or compose original songs in music, whether they're lyrical or instrumental. Lucky for us, these three goals have a huge overlap, but that's for another day. Right now, I just want to know if I'm on the right track. Which leads us to my second question. What are the roadblocks preventing you from becoming the guitar player you want to be? What's getting in the way? What skills do you need to develop in order to play the way that you want to play? I know I can help you, but first I need to know what I need to help you with. So please let me know in the comments below or click on the link in the description and it will take you to a form you can fill out. And I don't care if you just write, I don't know what I need help with, but I want to be able to play songs X, Y, and Z. That's plenty to go off of because guess what? All those songs you want to play, they contain so many elements about playing guitar in a broader context in general, so we can use them as starting points. It's perfect. With focused effort, a bit of patience, and a plan, you can become the musician of your dreams. We're all in this together. Despite 22 years of dedicating my life to music, all of those spent with a guitar in my hands, there's still so much left to learn. I'm about to start my second year of my master's program, and in some ways it feels really overwhelming because I know how much I don't know. But I think we can all help each other out here, because if you're struggling with something, then chances are somebody else is struggling with that very same thing, and they might feel too shy to say that. So by you speaking up, not only are you helping yourself, you're helping somebody else. If something's giving you a hard time right now, I guarantee you it has given somebody else, probably me, a hard time at some point in the past. And that person, also me, likely has a solution for you. So please let me know in a comment or in that link in the description how I can best serve you. What are your goals? What do you think your roadblocks are? I will make follow-up videos based on how I can best address your challenges, and we'll all learn and grow as musicians together. So thank you so much for being here. I genuinely mean all of this, so please, 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 please leave a comment, fill out the form, and let's rock together, or jazz together, whatever the case may be. So thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate your time, your effort, your energy, all of it, and I really want to help you become the guitar player that you want to be. Cheers.